Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today's gonna be a short video just showing you the flip through and the final look of the summer notebook that I created. And if you're new, the process on how I kind of put all of this together is in my playlist for my TNs, traveler notebooks, even though, is it just a notebook or a traveler's notebook? Who knows? Whatever you decide. As you can see, I still haven't replaced the rings with the medium size. These are the small size, so it does make it look super bulky. I do plan to replace these. I just haven't done it yet. So hopefully it's a short video. I may be in a rant or not. No, I'm not gonna be in a rant. Maybe I just get to telling you what we did for summer. So some of these layouts you've all guys already seen, because of course I shared them, or I made videos about the layouts. Some of them I didn't. I actually worked on them off camera. And in the last video where I showed, I think, one layout, I talked about how I felt this, like I loved it when I purchased it, but then as I was working through it, I realized that some paper was like too busy for me and I needed to find a way to mute the pages, and I wish I would have done a little bit of a better job doing that. So that's why some of these pages you see and they're like, my goodness, like in this one specifically, I feel like you kind of lose the transition of the pictures, but it's lesson learned. I'm not gonna redo it. Like, it bothers me, but not to the point where I want to redo layouts, which I have done that in the past. I think for this one, I'm just gonna let it go and move on. So this was just a day we went to the park, had a picnic, flew some kites, played soccer, and then basically came home. This is the day we actually went to the beach. There's pictures there. Here, this one's this way, this little piece right here. Just some journaling, and then a picture of us, and then just a day of the kids at the ice cream truck. This is like a must every summer. And then this is where we went to a baseball game. In this pocket I just have our tickets, some pictures of the kids goofing off, Michael so handsome, the kids. I shared a video, I think, on this layout, and then used the back for journaling for this. So okay, here's the rest of the pictures for that event. And then here again, I felt like the paper was so busy, you guys. I don't know. I didn't know what to do. This is my running path that I take, so just wanted to record how pretty it is and quiet. I specifically like doing this on the weekend because there's hardly any cars, and it's just so peaceful. So I just left it. I don't know if this is, I would call this layout complete, but I literally just added one picture. Here is our 4th of July. Just a picture of Cholo and Nick with all the fireworks that we got. Adriana is sleeping, and then on the back I just documented that day. Super cute. Adriana came downstairs and was like, Mom, I'm so excited today's 4th of July because I forgot how to set off fireworks and Daddy could teach me so I could relearn it. And I was like, okay, honey, I'm super happy it is as well. And then I went back to making breakfast. I was making breakfast for the family. And then like literally 15 minutes later, she's back to being passed out with Nick sitting on the chair. So I just thought it was super cute. And then that's just Mike being goofy, and then Mike, and then of course just 2 pictures of the fireworks, and then just journaled in the back. a pretty little tag that my friend Susan gifted me. I just thought it was so gorgeous, so I put it in there. The next one is my mother and father-in-law came to visit, so took them to the community pool here in our housing community and just recorded some of the pictures. If you don't see Mike and I in there, Mike was working this day, and then I had back surgery, and I'm not saying that because I want you guys to feel sorry. It's just a fact. And I couldn't get into water or sit in like masses of water. So there's no picture of us. And that's why, yeah, I just wanted to explain it. If you're wondering like why there's no pictures of me and Mike, is because of that. But of course I did take pictures of the kids with their grandma and grandpa, and then them just being funny. Adriana, look at Adriana. You see the board? Trying to get the ball. I think she was in the middle of that game. And then to finish off, which is not a lot of pages, the last pages is just me recording that over this summer the kids got promoted to new belts. Don't ask me what they are. Because, well, this one's obviously a gold and white stripe, and this one is a gray and white, but I think that was their old belts and they got new ones. I'm not exactly sure, you guys, okay? Their dad is a black belt in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, so he kind of forces them. That sounds so bad. He doesn't forces them, but he strongly encourages they know how to defend themselves, and basically if they're ever in a situation they could use it as self-defense. They've been doing it. I mean, I have pictures of Adriana when she was crawling on the mats. Like they've just done this their whole lives. So anyway, so I just recorded that, and then of course the picture of all three of them is how we ended this summer, because Mike just looks so proud of his kids. And then just put a basic little sentiment. This is where the fun stuff happens, and that is our complete book. I feel like honestly the only thing I need to do is find a pen and somehow, somewhere, just write 2019. That is going to be it for this notebook, you guys. I didn't get to document a lot of events. Like I said, I had a medical procedure in my back that prevented me. I see it kind of not shattered, but it kind of put a dent into the summer plans that I had, which is fine. I mean, you just gotta, the punches life throws at you, you just gotta take them and then adjust and move on, you know. So I didn't get to document everything. I didn't get to do all the things that I wanted the family to do for summer. However, I am happy with how the notebook came out. I hope that you guys enjoyed it as well. And we will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. And I just said that. What a weird way to say goodbye. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good one. Bye.